Even after a storm passes, dangers remain. When returning to a storm-damaged area, stay alert and be mindful of those hidden hazards. Downed power lines may still be energized, sometimes even concealed beneath standing water. Watch your step for sharp debris, broken glass, and unexpected nails. If you've evacuated, do not return until emergency officials say it's safe, especially around those high water or flooded areas. They can be very dangerous. Just 12 inches of water can float a vehicle. If you encounter high water, turn around, don't drown.
A lot of folks want to watch the storm. They want to see what's coming. They want to go out and look, did it affect the park down the road, or you heard a crash. Stay in your safe place. And understand, when you get ready to leave, after the storm passes, there's perils out there. Their electrical lines are down. They might be charging water. You've got standing water somewhere. I'm not talking about huge flood water. I'm talking about just standing water.
MDOT, I like to say, is we're normally at our best when others at worst. But our crews are normally the first responders on the scene. We try to do the best we can to keep the roadways open. Oftentimes when you have downed trees, you've got downed electrical lines in it. We don't know if those lines are on or not. So the ability to move around and to get around our transportation system is hindered greatly right after a storm, just due to the debris and things that are in the roadway. And in some cases, with electrical lines and all, the debris that we cannot remove immediately.
If you're using a portable generator, keep it at least 20 feet away from your home. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a leading cause of death following storms and power outages. For more safety information and updates, visit the MEMA website or download our MEMA mobile app.